I can't believe I'm the first person to turn on this motorcycle. Check this out. This is so beautiful. In pictures, when I looked at this thing, the dash looked a lot bigger, but it's actually a little smaller, I think, than the 959. Yeah, from here to here, I think it's probably the same size, but in terms of the width of the LCD, it's the width and the height, it's really not that big. But that being said, I have no idea how to control any of this, so you guys are going to look at me as a person who has no idea what they're doing for the first time on this V2, trying to figure out how to use the electronics. So if I get frustrated, you're going to see it. If I have an easy time, you're going to see it. So let's just see what happens. Let's see here. I don't know what this is. I'm pushing buttons here, trying to figure stuff out at this point. Okay, so this is the lights. Let's see here. Oh, settings menu. Here we go. Trip, settings menu. There we go. Oh, riding modes. Okay, so this right here controls all of the different riding modes. So we got a lap timer here. You can adjust the backlight. You can adjust the date and clock, the units, service intervals. I'm assuming tire calibration. Look at that. My 959 didn't have that. I'm already getting jealous. Daytime running lights, I'm assuming, is DRL, and then turn indicators, and then info. Let's see what it says for info. Okay, info's got your battery information. How do I go back now? Let's see, which one does back? Wait a minute. Oops. Okay. I have no idea how to go back. Back. How do I go back? Oh wait, something happened. Okay, there we go. Okay, so turn indicator. Let's go back to riding modes. Alright, so we got sport mode, we got street mode, and we got race mode. So in the outgoing 959, we had a race mode, we had a sport mode, and we had a wet mode. So instead of calling it wet in this version, they called it street. So let's go one by one and see what each one of them says. Street mode. Okay, so for engine braking, I'm assuming you can change that. The traction control, the ABS, the Ducati wheelie control. Now that's something completely new. Normally you wouldn't see a wheelie control in 959. So this version of the V2 has the wheelie control. For you guys who are interested in something like this, well, now you have it here. And then engine braking. Wait a minute. Hold on. Engine is what? Because there's engine braking and then there's engine. DQS, which is Ducati quick shifter. So in this bike we get up and down quick shifter. Look at that. Up and down, off, or okay, let's go back. Okay, engine braking. Oh, I see. Look at that. So you can go minimum, mid, or maximum. We're gonna go maximum. Okay, Ducati wheelie control. Oh, this is pretty simple. Ducati wheelie control. I see. So we're going to leave it at stable. And then ABS, and then traction control. Let's see here, traction control. So we can put it on road mode, track mode, or wet mode. And then we have engine, which is full power, reduced power, smooth, and dynamic. Ooh, I wonder what all this is. So on the left here, it says high, medium, and low. Right now it's set to medium. Full power dynamic. Medium, low. We're going to put engine at high. Because why not? All right, this is pretty cool. All right. So that's pretty much it. Let's turn this on and see what it sounds like. This is the first start of the Ducati 959 V2. Ooh, exciting stuff here. How do I turn this on? It sounds a little different. It sounds a little different than my 959. Maybe it's the side exhaust, and this is a cold start. Doesn't sound as loud, but maybe it's because I have my helmet on. I don't know. But we're gonna let it warm up a little bit, and then we're gonna give it some revs. But look at this dash, so pretty. So, from my understanding, the motorcycle has 157 horsepower. No, actually, wait a minute. The outgoing had 157, so there should be about 5 horsepower, a little bit, about 5 horsepower more. It's time to take this baby for a spin. Let's go.